Many people are struggling with hair loss, thinning edges, and slow hair growth. But what if I told you that there is an ancient herbal mixture used in traditional Indian remedies that may help wake up sleeping hair follicles and support faster hair growth natural? Today I'm going to show you three powerful ingredients that can help transform your hair when you use them consistent. Those ingredients are known for helping to strengthen hair roots, nourish the scalp, and encourage thicker hair growth. When combined together, they create a very powerful herbal hair growth spray. If your hair is breaking easily, falling out too much, growing very slow, or you have tiny edges, your scalp may need extra nourishment and stimulation. That is exactly what this herbal mixture is designed to support. Our first ingredient is fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed are one of the most popular ingredients used in traditional hair remedies. They contain proteins and nutrients that help strengthen weak hair follicles and reduce hair breakage. Many people are using fenugreek to help improve hair thickness and shine. There are more things fenugreek seed can help you to achieve, okay? So I just make use of 1 tablespoon of my fenugreek seed. If you do not have fenugreek seed and you have fenugreek powder, you can also make use of it, okay? So now moving on to our second ingredient. Our second ingredient is moringa, and I'm using moringa powder. You can also use moringa fresh leaf or moringa dried leaf. Moringa is often called the miracle tree because it contains many vitamins and minerals. It helps nourish the scalp and provide nutrients that support healthy hair growth. There are a lot of benefits you can achieve in using moringa on your hair, okay? So I just make use of 1 tablespoon of my moringa powder. If you are using the fresh one, just use 1 full hand of your moringa leaf, or the dry one, just use 1 full hand of it. You are good to go. Now, the final ingredient is star anise, a powerful spice. Star anise helps stimulate the scalp and may improve blood circulation around the hair follicles, which supports healthy hair growth. So I make use of 1 tablespoon of my star anise. If you have powder star anise, you can also use it. If you have seed star anise, you can also make use of it, okay? Any type of star anise you have, just feel free to make use of it, okay? You can also use only 3 pieces of star anise or only 2 pieces of star anise. You still get the good result it's supposed to get, okay? So now I'll also transfer it into this my jar that contain other of my 2 ingredients, the fenugreek and the moringa, then now the star anise. Now let me show you the proper way to prepare this. There are different ways you can prepare this recipe. You can do boiling method, you can do infused method, okay? So if you are doing your boiling method, make sure you do not increase the heat to be very high. Just leave the heat to be medium low heat, okay? Then boil this only about 10 to 15 minutes off the gas, and I like to cool down like 5 to 6 hours, then strain it out and it's ready to be used. But if you want to do infused method the way I'm doing mine, make sure you leave it for 12 hours or overnight. Do not leave it more than overnight, please, okay? Then you can go ahead and strain it. But for infusing process, you need to use hot water so that it can speed up the result, okay? So that it can help to bring out all the nutrients of these 3 powerful ingredients very, very well. Don't use cold water, use hot water to infuse yours, okay? So I will cover mine and keep it aside to infuse for overnight. So once it's the next day, I will be right back. After overnight, then our powerful India Secret Herbal Mixture Spray is ready to be used. So the next thing I'm doing now is to shake it very well. Make sure that it have mixed very well so that I can get all the nutrients I need to get with this powerful spray. So the next is to be my bowl and the shift cloth to shift out the spray. Use something that have very tiny hole to strain it out so that you don't have any particles or any residues of this ingredient on your spray, so that they will not stuck on your hair. So you can use wig cap, sheep's cloths, stockings, hanky, whatsoever you're using to strain your DIYs. Use it, okay, but make sure there is no particles of this ingredient, especially if you are using powder ingredients. Use something that have very tiny holes so that you will get a very clean spray. Okay, so after straining mine, this is what I have so far. This is how beautiful this spray is. This spray looks so beautiful, but it's very powerful and active. So the next thing you must do now is to transfer it to your spray bottle for easy application. Now let me tell you how to use this powerful spray to achieve a lot of good results and to solve your hair problems in just a few weeks of using it. Yes, but you must pay close attention because the usage is very important. It will determine if you get good results or not. So using it is where you can tell if this work on your hair or not. So you need to pay close attention and listen carefully. Okay, so first thing you must do to achieve good result with this particular spray, do not use it on a dirty hair. If you want to get good results, use this on a clean scalp and also on a clean hair strands. Don't use it on a dirty hair. Secondly, massage your scalp very well when you apply this spray on your hair. Focus on your scalp and also on your hair strands and also on those your problem areas. Massage it very well. After massaging it, then the next thing you must do is to follow up with your leave-in conditioner, then see in with oil and also oil your scalp. This part is very important. If you want to get good results, you don't need to skip these steps, okay, because this step is what determines if your hair can grow using this spray. And the best time to use this spray is in the evening before your bedtime. Don't use it in the morning, don't use it in the afternoon. I will advise you to use it in the evening before your bedtime, and use this 3 to 4 times in a week. You will definitely get amazing results. Your hair will grow super 10 times faster. I'm not joking, okay? So just follow up the instruction I gave to you. Do not rinse this tea spray out. Use it as your leave-in tea spray so that you can achieve good results, okay? Please make sure you keep your scalp very clean, okay? Avoid too much heat styling while using this spray on your hair, and make sure you massage your scalp regularly. It really helps a lot for you to get good results. Remember, consistency is very important when using natural remedies like this, okay? So with regular use with this powerful tea spray, you will notice your hair will begin feel more stronger, healthier, thicker over time. Okay, just be consistent and you will never ever regret it. Okay, so guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also share this video with someone who is struggling with hair loss and hair problem. Okay, and let me know in the comment section below if you are going to try this remedy. Okay, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.